Why is coming?
Brother and sister,
Yes, because it was bite my dog.
it's white cat, okay, cat.
Yeah, he can bite my dog.
White cat in Korea called Tamiyong. Yeah, Tamiyong. Yeah.
Hey,
There.
get out of the way.
Oh, no.
They're home. Leave them alone.
Okay.
Go in the city.
No, we live alone. Okay. We live alone.
They're home. They
And
live
feed the food.
You see? We live
there.
alone.
As long as they don't eat your friend.
We live alone, brother.
No, so relax. Hey, relax.
Come here. Anh này đâu vậy? À cái white cat mà. Raccoon. Keluar kau raccoon.
Bro, I don't know how to vacuum. You know.
There raccoon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
That's it, right? The light.
6 man. Oh, baby man.
I never barbecue, so I don't know how those five.
Come on, bro.